There were two significant financial events today. First, the ABS released the Consumer Price Index for the June quarter. Inflation was 0.7% for the quarter and the headline rate was just 1.5% for the year. Core inflation, which is where they ignore price moves that are inconveniently large, was 2.3%. Either way, inflation's not a problem. The second thing was a speech by Reserve Bank Governor Glenn Stevens, in which he said the question of whether interest rates might be reduced further remains, as he has said before, on the table. But then he went on to say that rate cuts can be dangerous and there's no hurry. When the CPI came out, the dollar fell because low inflation implies low interest rates. And when Glenn Stevens spoke, it went up because, well, no one knows what to make of his speech, which is the way central bankers usually like it. The end result was a solid rise in the currency, up from 73.5 last night to 74.3 tonight. Gold slipped a bit more today and is resolutely below $1,100 an ounce, while iron ore also fell and oil went up. Gold is now decisively broken below two floors. For more than a year up to September, there was consistent support at $1,200, and then for the past 9 months, that floor shifted down slightly to $1,150. Where the gold elevator will stop now, no one knows. After 6 up days in a row, the share market had a proper down day today, 1.5%, thanks to falls by all the leaders, iron ore miners, banks and industrials. And the biggest fall was Ansell, down more than 6%. There were some quite big falls in Europe overnight, particularly the German market, and those in Japan and China also went down today. And that's finance.